Hi guys, this is going to be the tutorial that's going to show you how to make these wide textured hat, for lack of a better name. And for this project you're going to need just a little bit of 10 ply for the UK or 4 ply for the US, worsted weight yarn, acrylic. And you're going to need a 5mm hook or a size H hook for the US. And that's it. Start off here. Make your slip knot and chain 3, and then I'm going to slip stitch in the beginning chain. I'm going to hold my yarn down here to hold my ring, and then in that ring, once I can find it, I'm going to put a single crochet. Just like that, and then chain 1, and this is going to count as your first double crochet for this round and all the rounds. Now put another 11 double crochets in the ring for a total of 12. Okay, I just got done with round 1. I'm going to slip stitch in my beginning stitch, the top of the chain, and get a little closer here. Now in that same space, go in, pull up a loop, single crochet, chain 1, counts as your first double crochet of the round. Now double crochet in that same stitch. Now put 2 double crochets in the next stitch, and 2 double crochets in the next, and put 2 double crochets in each stitch around. At the end of round 2 you should have 24 stitches. Okay, I just finished round 2. I'm going to slip stitch in my chain 1, and I'm going to go back into that same stitch and do my single crochet and chain 1 for this round. Next round, put 2 double crochets. The next stitch, put 1 double crochet. The next stitch, put 2 double crochets. And we're going to repeat this pattern for round 3. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1 double crochet, and then 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Continue this pattern all the way around, and when you get back up to the end of the round, you should have 36 stitches. Okay, I'm at the end of round 3. I'm going to slip stitch in that beginning chain, and then go back in through the same stitch, single crochet, and chain 1. Then double crochet into the next stitch, and then put 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And then put 1 double crochet into the next stitch, then put 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then put 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And for this round, we're going to continue the pattern, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and then an increase. So you'll have 2 stitches that are single, and 1 that's an increase. Continue the pattern all the way around, and when you get to the end, you should have 48 stitches. Okay, I just got done with round 4. I'm going to slip stitch into my beginning chain, go into the same stitch, single crochet, and chain 1. Next stitch, do a double crochet. In the next stitch, do a double crochet. The next stitch, put 2 double crochets into the same stitch. The next stitch, do 1 double crochet. the next 3 stitches, you put 1 single double crochet. And on the 4th stitch, you'll want to put 2 double crochets. So we'll have 3 sets of single double crochets and then an increase. 3 single double crochets and then an increase. And continue this pattern all the way around, and when you get to the beginning, you should have 60 stitches. Okay, I just finished round 5. Just finishing up by slip stitching into my beginning chain. Then go back in through the stitch, single crochet, and chain 1. Now for this round, you're going to want to put 1 single crochet in each stitch around for a total of 60 stitches at the end of this round. So I'll see you back here in just a moment. I just finished round 6 in the slip stitch into my beginning chain. And then I'm going to go in and do a single crochet and a chain 1. And now for row 7, we want to back stitch double crochet in all the stitches around. And if you don't know how to back stitch double crochet, I'll show you. You go in through the back and you back stitch, and you push the double crochet back, pull up a loop, go through 2, go through 2, yarn over, go in between the stitch, push that double crochet back, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. And that's how you do a back post double crochet. And you want to continue to do back post double crochet for all the stitches around. Show you one more time. Go in, push the stitch back, pull your yarn through. You're only working through the post of the stitch. Just working with the post, not the stitch. So continue to do your back post double crochets till you get to the beginning, and you'll still have 60 stitches. I just finished round 7, and the next round is going to be like round 6, where you double crochet in all stitches, and then you repeat round 7, which will be back post double crochet in all stitches. And you're going to continue to do this until you have a total of 14 rounds done. And on the 15th round, I'll show you where to go from there. So remember, we just did back post, so this next round will be all double crochets. Then the next round you will do back post on all of them, and then repeat double crochet row, then a back post row. Continue to do that till you have 14 rows completed. I just wanted to show you real quick when you finish the row. I know it's not perfect. I just do the last stitch of my row, doing what I was doing before. If I was doing back post, then I'll do the last stitches back post. And if it was double crochet, then my last stitch here will be double crochet. And then the very next stitch, I just start what I'm supposed to do for the next round, which in this case would be double crochet. And it leaves, as you can see, it leaves a little bit of a ridge here, and on this hat too. But I haven't been able to find a better way to do it. If you guys figure out a way, then please share it, and I'll share it with others. But for now, that's just the way I'm finishing the row. Anyway, when I said row 14, or do this for 14 rows, I mean till row 14. So just count until you get to row 14. And once you've completed row 14 and you're on row 15, then I'll show you what to do from there. Okay, I just got done with round 14. I'm starting round 15. What you want to do is single crochet in 15 stitches. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Then you want to decrease. Go in one, pull up a loop, go in the next stitch, pull up a loop, and then pull through all 3 loops. And then again, you want to go through 15 and then decrease again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then decrease. And then for the rest of the round, just single crochet in the rest of the stitches. And at the end of this round, you should have 58 stitches. So when you get to the end, count and make sure. I don't think we're going to need a marker because there's such an obvious crease in the back here. I don't think we really need one. Okay, I just want to take a moment here and count to make sure I have 58 stitches. Okay, I do. I have 58 stitches. Now for this round, we're going to be doing back post single crochet. You just go in through the back, push the single crochet stitch back, pull a loop through, and single crochet. Go in through the next open stitch, push the stitch back, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops. Again, this is the stitch we just did. Going in through the next open space, push the stitch back, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. Then going in through the next stitch, push the stitch back, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops. And continue to do that all the way around. Just got done with my last stitch. I'm going to go through the next stitch, slip stitch, and chain 1. Cut my yarn, and then you can just work in the tails. And I was looking at this hat, and I guess it helps that it had this multiple color going. But this hat kind of reminds me of like Riptide, when the water's coming into the sand. So I think I'm going to call this the Riptide hat. What do you think? Anyway, if you like this video, please click like. And if you're a new person that's watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, because I have many tutorials and many more to come. And I'll also have this pattern on my website, so please check that out. I'll have the link in the description box for you. Well, thanks for watching.